Good afternoon, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today we're going to be talking about the Mazda 2023 CX-5 Select. The reason I have chosen this particular model for this month's segment of a walk around for a vehicle is because the CX-5 Select is modestly priced at about $28,000, which makes this a very affordable vehicle and gets you all of the features that customers generally like. First and foremost, let's take attention to detail to the Soul Crystal Red color on the vehicle. This is a Mazda exclusive color here. Only Mazda has this red. When we take a look at the vehicle up close here, we're going to see inside the driver's side, we do have 6-way power seats. We have a leatherette seating, which is a faux leather trim with a microfiber suede insert. This vehicle does come equipped with every safety feature: blind spot monitoring for your door mirrors, lane departure assist, radar cruise control, smart brake support, backup camera with rear cross traffic alert. This vehicle does have daytime running LEDs, automatic LEDs at night, rain sensing windshield wipers. This vehicle does come equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can plug your phone in and your phone will mirror right onto the screen for ease of driving. This vehicle also comes with 3 free years of mobile start, which means you can start your car from anywhere using just your cell phone. In the back seat, we're going to see that we have a total of 5 seats with 5 seat belts. You do have cup holders in the back with USB ports so that your passengers can charge their cellular devices, vents in the back to keep them warm in the winter and cool in the summer. In the back of the vehicle here, we have our lift gate, excellent cargo capacity. We have a 40-40-20 split on the seats. Those seats do fold down flat completely, and they fold down flat conveniently with the levers located here, here, and here. Underneath here, we do have Mazda's full-size spare tire, which hopefully you never have to use. So once again, this is Mazda's beautiful 2023 CX-5 Select. Come and see me. Take care. Bye-bye.